Security warning. For official use only. All individuals handling this information are required to protect it from unauthorized disclosure. This information should be disseminated on a need-to-know basis via controlled media, CD, mobile hard drive, paper, etc. Do not transmit this material via any unsecured email network. This document is a product of Critical Solutions International. It is not for public use, but is intended for use by authorized personnel. This information is not to be released without written authorization from Critical Solutions International. Destroy this material when no longer needed.
At the conclusion of this class, you will be knowledgeable on how to safely and properly start, stop the Husky 2G engine. Warning. In the event of air loss, the operator must place park brake control lever to on position. Refer to Husky 2G operator manual for additional information and procedures. Starting and stopping engine. Caution. Battery isolator, main power switch, must be unlocked prior to changing position. Failure to comply may result in damage to switch. Note, perform steps 1 through 9 to start engine. Perform steps 10 through 16 to stop engine. Step 1. Place battery isolator switch, main power switch, in on position. Step 2. Verify all control panel switches are in the off position. Step 3. Verify tow panel is in the closed position. Step 4. Place ignition switch to the on position. Caution. Allow approximately 25 seconds for all gauges to cycle. Failure to comply may cause false CAN bus diagnostic codes or damage to CAN bus. Step 5. Verify park brake control lever is in the on position. Step 6. Verify transmission is in neutral. Caution. Do not crank engine for more than 20 seconds at a time. If the engine fails to start, wait 1 minute for the starter motor to cool before cranking again. Note, if the engine fails to crank when start switch is depressed, check and reset engine supply circuit breaker. Step 7. Once flame start indicator turns off, crank engine by pressing start stop switch. Hold switch until engine starts, but no more than 20 seconds. Release switch immediately after the engine starts. If the engine fails to start after no more than 20 seconds, wait 1 minute and crank engine again. Step 8. Once engine starts, check all indicator lights and gauges for proper operation. Alternator charging indicator may remain illuminated after starting engine. Low air pressure indicator may remain illuminated and low air pressure alarm will sound. Engine oil pressure should reach approximately 350 kPa after 10 seconds. Voltmeter should register in green zone and indicate between 24 and 28 volts. Engine should smooth out and idle at 600 RPM. Fuel gauge should register amount of fuel. Air pressure gauge should rise between 780 and 810 kPa. Engine temperature gauge should reach 85 degrees centigrade. Step 9. Stop engine and refer to troubleshooting, malfunction symptom index, in the operator manual if any check performed in Step 8 indicate a potential problem. Note, after running engine at full throttle or with high coolant temperatures, allow engine to idle for 1 to 2 minutes without a load before stopping engine. This allows coolant and turbocharger to cool and extends life of the engine. Step 10. Verify park brake control lever is in the on position. Step 11. Verify transmission is in neutral. Step 12. Ensure detector panels are in the stowed position. Step 13. Verify air conditioner is switched off before stopping engine. Step 14. Stop engine by pressing start stop switch. Step 15. Place ignition switch to the off position. Caution. Battery isolator main power switch must be unlocked prior to changing position. Failure to comply may result in damage to switch. Step 16. Place battery isolator switch, main power switch in off position.